Here's a 2019 Ford F-250 Crew Cab Long Bed, only 9,200 mile, one owner with a clean CarFax in silver. Really nice work truck here in a hard to find crew cab long bed. It's getting really hard to get an 8-foot bed in a crew cab. This truck gives you that. Also 3/4 ton series with the 6.2 liter V8 gas engine. Will get done any work that you need. We're just going to kind of walk the truck here, show you some of the highlights, and we'll finish it with some an imperfection. We'll walk around and show you any little dents or scratches. So let's go ahead and start. You can see the XL gives you the black painted 2-bar grille as well as the black bumpers. You can see it does have the black tow hooks with the halogen headlamps. Let's continue around to the side. Got steel wheels here with Michelin tires. Tires about half tread, maybe 6-7/32. You also can maybe see in there we have a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed up by the technicians that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. So we take a peek through the passenger side front seat. You can see we do have the vinyl floor with the vinyl seating, kind of light gray vinyl on the seating with the dark black vinyl floor. So you don't have to worry about getting any of your interior dirty if you're using it for a job. 40-20-40 fold down split bench seat with the center console and an otherwise two-tone dash throughout. Let's see if we have our books in here. We do, and here is the mechanical report that I spoke of. Just want to show you, as you can see, 7/32 on those front tires, 10 on the back. Brand new on a 10-ply tire like this is probably 12 or 13. So like I say, we're a little over half tread on the front. We're about 3/4 on the back. Also, as you can see, we put brand new brakes all the way around front and rear, or actually they're probably the factory brakes, but plenty of depth with only 9,200 miles on there. Let's go ahead. The other nice thing this truck does give you is the factory door-to-door flat 5-inch wide running boards. Also has the factory molded splash guards on the front and the rear, as you can see there. So we do have some accessories on this truck. In the back, again, it does give you a 12-volt power supply. And of course, on the crew cab, you have all kinds of leg, hip, and shoulder room there. Again, long bed, 8-foot, as you can see. All the tires match. They're all Michelin 10-ply, and we do have 0 rust on that frame rail, as you can see. Continue around to the back. As I said, we have the black bumpers on this truck. It is equipped with the backup camera. We do have the Class 3 tow hitch. It does have the integrated wiring, brand new spare. We do have the Ford factory spray-in liner. You can see the oval up there, like I say. So it's all ready for work. Coming around to the side again, Michelin's all the way around, and absolutely no rust at all on anything there. Again, door-to-door running boards. But it's a very clean interior. There's no rips, tears, stains, or odors. The previous owner was a non-smoker. And then as we look in through this front, manual adjustments on all these seats, obviously on the XL. But we do have the power mirrors, power windows, and the power locks located right on the door. Hop in here. Go ahead and start it up. See, only 9,253 miles. So like new. Let's go ahead and show you that CarFax. As I said, you can see no accidents or damage, one owner. Let's go ahead and continue the tour. This is your cargo light button. This is your headlamp controls with automatic setting. Toggle for your dimmer on your dash. Stem to the left, high beams, turn signals, intermittent wiper washers. We got column shift to the right. Does have the tow haul button, ability to select any of the gears in the multi-speed transmission in the middle. We do have a control pad here for your center display. See how we can toggle through distance till empty, tripometers, things like that. That is controlled over here. It does not have cruise. We'll come over here to the side, just your standard AM FM radio. It does have manual climate controls. It does have the electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case with an auxiliary and 12-volt power supply there. Center console gives you 2 cup holders. Inside a little area to keep some belongings. Do have plenty of auxiliary switches here built in from Ford, so you can wire in any kind of accessories that you may need the truck to do, and have a toggle switch to control it. Does have LED map lights, a manual dim on your rear view. We do not have mirrored visors on the driver, or we do have one on the passenger side. non-illuminated. We also have 2 more 12-volt power supplies over there, so they do give you plenty of connectivity for charging. We do have a foot pedal for the emergency brake. This is your hood release there. As I said at the beginning, 6.2 liter V8 engine. Obviously looks like a new one in here. No exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, corrosion on any electrical contacts. Only 9,200 miles, so it's like a brand new engine as it is. And then let's go ahead and shut the truck off. We'll get into the last portion of the video. We do promise 2 keys, by the way. It does have integrated keyless entry with the laser cut switch blade style key there. Also, as you can see, does have your tow mirrors with the heated tow mirrors. Does have the puddle lights on there as well, turn signal indicators. Now, let's go ahead and go through the cosmetic. Just to recap, we had half tread or better on the front, 3/4 tread on the tires, light new brakes all the way around. Also, 1 owner, no accident vehicle. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. So I'm just going to walk the truck, show you any minor imperfections. There are a few on here I noticed on the first walk around, so we'll just show you those. Like a little scratch here underneath the door handle. Door looks fine. There's a little bit of dirt. We've touched all these up, but obviously this truck was used for work, so on these bed rails here, or bed sides here, we do have some scratches that made it into the paint. We did touch them all up with factory matching paint, but we do have a few of those on this bed side, little tiny one up by that cap protector. Just a little bit of dirt down there. Couple back here on the tailgate as well. I'll show you here a couple little spots. Truck isn't perfect that way. We do have a couple little things, like I say, it was used for obviously work related, but we do have just a couple here. Working up the bedside, we have a few as well. A couple up by the cap top. Couple here, little chips that we've touched up. A few more up above this rail. Probably the biggest one here is this one. It's probably 4 or 5 inches here, right up on the, this would be the passenger side, bed side. That's probably the worst of the scratches on the bed. Otherwise, the cab is pretty good. We don't really have anything there. Obviously, only 9,000 miles. So the cab looks pretty good. Little one right there on the edge of the door that we touched up. But all in all, the cab looks pretty good. Fender don't look bad. Looks like we might have a little scratch. I thought I saw there. Bumper looks good though. Couple little bug spots there. Bumper looks good. Grill is good. Hood looks fine. All in all, guys, nice work truck here. Hard to find again. Crew cab long bed. Does still have the remainder of Ford's powertrain and comprehensive warranties transferable to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested in a few ways of getting a hold of us, of course, you can come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call, area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.